coolest little skid steer ever made. Look at the visibility of that thing. He can see behind him on the sides. I want one of those JCBs. So they got the boom on the right hand side, doors on the left side. But the cool thing is he can see behind him. She's a hog, man. That's a like 7.9 yard bucket on there. It's got 12,000 pounds of counterweights on the back. So I wanted to show you close up this JCB. So you got one tilt ram for the bucket, and you've got one lift ram for the whole assembly, and then there's all your auxiliary hydraulics. But look at how much visibility you have on this machine. It's incredible. This is probably the best invention ever, because you're no longer getting in up by the windshield. Anyway, it just looks cool. So I assume this is your safety device. Pull it down. Anyway, it's just the visibility is incredible. If you notice on a Cat and a lot of other ones, you have a screen over there, and it's tough to see out the front end, back. This one just has, I'll shut the window for him. This just has a lot of visibility. It's just, I'm impressed. If I was to buy one, I think I would buy one of these. Just because of the visibility and the safety factor. No more crawling in and out of there and falling on your head or getting killed. I had a nephew died last year in an accident with a skid steer. Got pinched between the machine and the bucket, and he was by himself. Getting in and out of the front is not safe. It's not a good idea. Anyway, I see hinges right here. Looks like hinges, so I'm assuming that whole cab assembly is going to tip up and forward so you can get in there and work on things. No more raising the bucket 9 miles in the air to tip the cab up. I gotta hand it to JCB. They really did their homework on this one. That is a cool skid steer. And then there's it looks like your AC condenser. Huh. That's just a cool machine.